Welcome to 416 North Doheny Drive in beautiful West Hollywood. We are located between Beverly Boulevard and Santa Monica Boulevard on the east side of the street. And across the street is Beverly Hills. You are looking at a beautiful one bedroom and a very charming fourplex. And it has all the things you would want to have. In the kitchen, we have the recently remodeled kitchen with all new cabinets, all new tile work, and it does have the gas stove, fridge, dishwasher, and microwave. And you know, it is really nice to have a separate dining room. And you'll notice when we go into the dining room, there it does have a little skirt around it with the moldings. And it does have higher ceilings with moldings as well, and it does have the actual French doors before you go out into the living room, so you can close off that room. And it does have the bay window here in the living room. Lots of natural light, air conditioning in both the living room and in the bedroom. And the hardwood floors are original, and they are rather impeccable. There is laundry in the building, a good amount of closet space. So enjoy the rest of the tour, and if you like what you see, call or text to line up your own personal in-person tour.